Hi, and you're watching Explain Tutorials. Hi, and welcome to Explain Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to use the autopilot in X-Plane. I'm now airborne, just took off out of Vancouver International Airport. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set my altitude here. Okay, I now have my altitude. I'm going to set it to 5,000 feet. Once I set it to 5,000 feet, I'm going to turn this flight director onto auto. Click it twice, and that'll turn it onto auto. As you can see, these two buttons lit up. The WLV means wing leveler. That'll keep our wings leveled until we decide what to do next. And this pitch button, that'll keep our wings, our pitch from going up and down until we decide what to do next. So in order to climb to 5,000, I'm going to click the V/S button, which is vertical speed, and I'm going to set it to 1,000. 1,000 meaning 1,000 feet per minute. That's how fast I'll climb. If I want to descend, I would put it in the minuses, as in so here I am now descending at 500 feet per minute. But right now I'd like to climb up to 5,000 feet, so I'm going to set my vertical speed to 1,000. Now, another X-Plane autopilot thing here is the heading indicator. That'll give you the ability to turn your aircraft using the autopilot. So I'm going to select a heading here. That is the degree that I'm going to be turning. So I'm going to turn 230 degrees. So I'm going to then, once I have it set, I'll click the heading button. And now, as you can see, the plane is automatically turning by itself. Also here, there is an outer layer of the heading knob. You can decrease that to make your angle of turn much less. Or if you want to put it all the way to the right, that'll make your angle of degree 30 degrees. And all the way to the left, that'll turn it to auto, and it can automatically do it by itself. I always set it to 30 degrees. Another setting on the autopilot is the auto throttle. That gives you the ability for the autopilot to control its speed, the plane speed. So I'm going to set this to 270 knots and click the ATHR button. Now, as you can see, the plane is using my throttles by itself, using the autopilot. Now, pretty much, the plane is flying itself. Another setting on the autopilot is, if you want to climb, instead of using the vertical speed button, let's say I want to climb to 10,000, I can use the SPD button. That SPD button will automatically pitch my plane by itself, and I will have the ability to move the throttles by myself, and based on how much input I put in, the plane will hold 270 knots no matter what. So it will climb holding 270 knots. So if I increase my speed a lot, the plane will rise very fast. If I decrease my speed, if I decrease my throttles, the plane will descend. Well, will not descend, but it will climb very slowly. You can also use this for descending. And that's it for the basics of autopilot. Thank you for watching X-Plane Tutorials, and I'll have a more detailed tutorial on autopilot coming up. Thank you for watching.